Hello, this is the Tachibana Corporation coming at you with another tutorial video. And today we will be showing you how to add Shazam to your iPhone or iPad. Now while we are doing this on the iPhone, it is the exact same process to do it on your iPad. Let's go ahead and get started. So first, you're going to unlock your phone, go to your settings, then you're going to scroll down to Control Center, which is right underneath General. Then you'll have all these options that you can add to your control center. Now if you swipe up, this is your control center. I believe this is because I have a button, but if you have one of the newer iPhones, the one with the notch, you'll swipe down from the upper right corner. Now let's go ahead and scroll down, and then you will see this option that says music recognition. And if you'll add it, you will notice that it has the Shazam icon on it because Apple bought Shazam and they are using that exact same technology. If you then go here, and then you can see it's right here in your command center now. So for instance, Alexa, play Bang by AJR. Hey Siri, play Bang by AJR.
Here's Bang by AJR.
Hey Siri, stop. And if you swipe up, you can see the Shazam icon right here. And all you have to do is press this. And if you close it, it will show you the little icon that it's working. For instance, you do this, and you'll see the little orange icon in the upper right corner telling you that it's working. And then it'll pop up the song that you are listening to, and then you can tap on it and open it directly in Apple Music. It'll look like that. And I do believe that is the end of our tutorial video. So let us know down in the comments which you would like us to do a tutorial over next, and we will catch you guys next time.